Hi everyone, a quick one here about the Citrea Testnet Unfreeze. So if your last task says coming soon on the juicy swap, don't worry, I've got a simple step that can help you do the task, then mint your badge, which is the final task. And I hope you know what that means. Mainnet is around the corner. So I'll walk you through the step by step. It won't take much of your time. So let's get into it. So the first thing we need to do is to connect our wallets. Then you swap cBTC to NUSD. So we'll proceed to click on review. Then after clicking on review, then you confirm swap. Hold on. Then review, then swap, then confirm in your wallet. I've confirmed, then sign, then transaction is approved. So the next thing we need to do is the first task is completed. If you look over here, you will see where they wrote 1/3. Then the next one you need to do is to swap cBTC to CNUSD. So I'll click on this place, this drop down here, to get my CUSD, this one over here. So yes, so I'll swap cBTC to CUSD. So I'll proceed to type the amount I want to swap. So let's 0.00001 cBTC to 0.1 CUSD. So I'll review, confirm in wallet, then approve, then waiting for confirmation in my wallet, then sign, then transaction approved. Then the next, you can see 2/3. Then the next task is cBTC to USDC. So 0.0001 cBTC to USDC. So let's proceed. Hold on. Finalizing quotes. Hold on. So click on review. Then review, swap, confirm, then approve transaction, then sign, then waiting for confirmation. Transaction approved. So you can see, congratulations to me. I have actually completed the task, even though it's not showing here that it's still writing coming soon, but I'll proceed to refresh my dashboard. I'll refresh again. It's still writing coming soon. Then I'll just proceed to mint my badge. Then if you look at this mint my badge, you will see that it's already highlighted. Then I will proceed to mint my badge, my BAPPER badge. Congratulations, you are now officially a BAPPER. So it's not easy. Congratulations to us. So guys, if you are finding it difficult, follow this simple step and you will get it done. So see you in my next video. If you love this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you. I'll be dropping a video on how to get invite code for those that are still waiting for invite code. I'm not assuring you, but there are possible ways. At least I've seen people that these tips I'm about to share actually helped.